My name is Zaya White. I attend to Bunche Middle School, and my favorite thing is the drones. Coding this thing to fly, it takes a lot of levels, like connecting it and pairing it to the device to make it move. I started coding in 7th grade at Bunche. At first I didn't want to do it because I didn't understand it, but then 2 years of doing it, I actually understand it. It was kind of easy to do it. My teacher, Miss Ballard, has been teaching me this for 2 years.
My name is Abigail Soto. I'm an 8th grader who studies at Bunche Middle School. I'm studying currently microbits. Well, you can portray images such as hearts, and I think that's really nice. So you can show smiley faces and other images that you want to draw or do. On the microbit website, you create your code and connecting it to this wire here, it'll start, you download it, and it shows up on this. The first place I found out a microbit is actually here, so I learned a lot about it in this Ballard's PLTW classroom. I learned coding at King Elementary, and I learned more about that here. We're currently using coding, and I think I gotten better over the years, so that really helped me out.
My name is Jaden Mejia. I go to Bunche Middle School, and I work with spheros. So how it works, you could use an iPad to control it remotely or coding. The main coding you must put is a code that makes it go any directions to 0. You have to know what it's going to do after the first direction. And it's like kind of like math. There's a maze you can make, and all you need is just a paper, a Sharpie, and a spheral and a tablet to make that happen.
I attend Bunche Middle School. I'm in 8th grade and my name is Shayla Flores. We do a lot of programming with microbits and spheros and drones. My favorite is the drone because it's pretty cool when you like fly it.
My favorite thing to go to Bunche Middle School is the spheros. It's fun, reliable, and cool at the same time.
Actually, I don't think I'll be using this for coding, but I might, because when I grow up, I want to be a restaurant owner, and I might want to make an app to make an app for the restaurant.
I enjoy coming to Bunche to learn new things, so I have a better opportunity to learn things than I had before.